Hello everyone, this is Kelly from ZHONGTUO roll forming machinery. Today I will introduce you about our standing seam roll forming machinery. It can for the wall cladding and the wall panel machines. As you can see this is a 3 tons hydraulic decoiler, and here is our feeding department. And you can see there is a different shaft. It's very different as other machines. This is for the attach the film. You know, for the wall cladding machines and the wall panel product, for the surface it's very important. You cannot scratch it and hurt the surface of the material. So when do the produce of this machine, of this product, we have to attach the film for these coils so that won't scratch the surface of the product. Here you can see there are these green rollers and that bigger green rollers. What is this? And for this small one, this is feeding rollers, but it's very tight. So when you feed the coils, it will tighten it very tightly and move it to the machine so that the coils and the materials can feed into the machine. And here you can see there is a vertical rollers also for the guidance. When the coils feed into the machine, it won't change the different directions here. And for these big rollers, this is active feeding rollers. It can attach the materials very tightly and feed to the machine. And when the material feed into the whole machine, it will loose so that the coils, the material won't come here. And you can see for here, this is another different point with other machines. We call this is a free shearing device. You know, some other different machines is after roll forming and cutting, but for this machine it's feeding, cutting, and then roll forming. It's different machines. And why we do this design? Because this profile drawing, the height and the shape is a little different. If we set the after cutting, the shape will change. So we design this one. This is very convenient and won't change the shape of this profile drawings, this product. And you can see here with the motor. You know, for some normally machines, we will use the hydraulic cutting. But for this one, we use the electric cutting. You know, in Russia area, the temperature is very low, and maybe in the winter it's almost minus 40 degrees. It's very cold, so the hydraulic oil will freezing. So we use the hydraulic one, we use the electric one. This is much convenient and won't give trouble for the machine working. And later you can see for this panel, it have many different. Later I will show you for this finished product. You can see in the one hand there are many holes in the one side. It's very easy for the installation and the screws installation. And that hole is produced by here. There are 2 rollers. When it rolling, the punching holes will coming out. And for this finished product, I show you like this. This is the finished product. And the width, it can change adjustably by the PLC control system. For this one, you can change from 300 millimeter to 50 millimeters. You can change it adjustable. And here there are many different holes. It's for the screw installation, very easy. Then you can see the height and the shape is a little different and difficult. So we use the free cutting to do it, to cut it. And there are many edges. So we design the small rollers, the side rollers for here. This is our side rollers to adjust the edge. It's very beautiful to make the product. Okay, and for here it's almost finished for these machines. And for this machine, you can see there are 3 different rollers here. Why we design this? You know, for this machine, it have many different wraps. This is the wraps for this machine. If you use the different widths to make the wraps, you can use this one. If you want to make a bigger product, you will use this one to make the wraps. And if you want to make a different other rollers, you can use these wraps. So totally 3 different types of the wraps you can design, and you can use this one to adjust, to make the rollers up, and then the machine, the product will go out, and the product will finish. So if you want to get the different wraps for this machine, and you can adjust here, and to roll it, the rollers will loose and tighten. When it tightens, the wraps will help. When it loose, the wraps will disappear. As I just introduced, for this machine, it is adjustable different wise, and machine transmission is controlled by the servo motor. Another side is fixed, and this side can move by the servo motor to control it from the different wires like this. So you can get the different wires product. Now many people like the wall cladding panels because it's very beautiful. So it have many different requests. If you like our machines, you can send our inquiry. Thank you very much.